I will do it. No, please. Miss.
But rocket sounds weird.
Oh, my stomach's reminding me it's empty.
Ooh, Marvin, I'm starting to get hungry. What do you want to eat for?
I've eaten so much spaghetti.
Oh, this raging.
Oh, my tummy is rumbling.
I'm so hungry.
You're strong now. You can feed on whatever you please. On one condition.
What? Before? So hungry.
Hungry.
I just got really hungry.
Okay, I've never felt this before. I need a toilet. Oh, I'm not gonna make it.
Hungry.
You know what? I work hard. I've earned it. Let's be bad. Oh, I don't feel so good. Is it guilt? Nope, not guilt. Ah, my stomach.
Just a little closer. I'm so hungry. Oh my! Oh, my tummy is growling. Grumble, grumble. Oh, my tummy is growling. Grumble, grumble. Grumble, 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 grumble. Grumble! I can't stop the sound.
That would turn her bowels into a ticking time bomb. And once Raven got to Wayne Manor, she released that bomb and killed the toilet.
Pressure.